Yes, good morning, children. How are you? Fine. Okay. Children, in yesterday session of economics, we came to learn the meaning and components of domestic income. But we had discussed only the two components of domestic income, and they were compensation of employees and operating surplus. The another important component of domestic income is the mixed income. Okay, the next part of domestic income is called mixed income. So now let us discuss what is called mixed income. Okay, mixed income is that part of domestic income which is earned by self-employed persons. Means the income of self-employed persons is called mixed income. Okay, now question arises, who are called self-employed persons? The self-employed persons are those who do not hire factor services from outside, but they use their own factor inputs in production process. And since the separate factor wise data are not maintained by them, therefore their income is taken as mixed income. Their income is called mixed income. There is another reason of calling it mixed income also, and that is because mixed income generates from work as well as property and entrepreneurship both. Therefore it is called mixed income. Okay, now let us conclude, and the conclusion till now is domestic income is equal to compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Okay, and if you add net factor income from abroad to domestic income, you will get national income. Okay, so in brief, I have given you the basic idea of the structure of national income. Okay, now let us see the measurement of national income. How is the national income measured? Okay, children, you know national income is also a circular flow of production, income and expenditure. Okay, you know how does income generate in the economy? The income generates through process of production. That means when production takes place, the income generates simultaneously. Okay, so national income can be measured at the level of production as well as at the level of income. Okay, and you know children, whatever income generates through production process is ultimately spent on these final goods and services. Therefore, through expenditure method also the national can be measured. That means there are three methods of measuring national income, and they are production or value added method, income method and expenditure method. Okay, So now let us discuss these three methods one by one. Okay. First of all, let us explain production method or output method or value added method. Okay. You know, children, according to this method, some important steps are taken to estimate national income. Okay. Such as a step 1, first of all, the entire producing sector of the economy is broadly classified into three subsectors called primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Okay. This classification of producing sector is done on the basis of the nature of product. Okay. For example, primary sector includes the production of primary goods or agriculture and allied activities, etc. are included in primary sector. Okay. So long as secondary sector is concerned, it includes all types of manufacturing, whether a small or large. And the tertiary sector includes all types of services which are produced to fulfill different needs of the society or of the people. Okay. So the entire producing sector has been classified into three subsectors called primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Okay. As step 2, first of all, value of output is estimated in each producing sector. Okay. And how is the value of output estimated? Already you know. How? Sales plus change in stock. Okay. And once the value of output is estimated in each producing sector, then it gives total value of output of all the three sectors. That means value of output of primary sector plus value of output of secondary sector plus value of output of tertiary sector is equal to total value of output. Okay. Now, at a step 3, the value of intermediate consumption is subtracted from the value of output of each producing sector. Okay. In what way? Let us see. Value of output minus intermediate consumption of primary sector is equal to value added by primary sector. Okay. Similarly, value of output of secondary sector minus intermediate consumption is equal to value added by secondary sector. Okay. And similarly, value of output of tertiary sector minus intermediate consumption is equal to value added by tertiary sector. Okay. And as a step 3 of the production method of measuring national income, we make some total of value additions by all the three sectors. Okay. How? Value added by primary sector plus value added by secondary sector plus value added by tertiary sector is equal to gross value added at market price, that is called GDP at market price. Okay. How is GDP estimated? By summing up the value additions of each producing sector. Now, once you have got GDP at market price, then you can calculate national income as GDP at market price minus depreciation is equal to NDP at market price, and NDP at market price minus net indirect tax is equal to NDP at factor cost or domestic income, and NDP at factor cost or net value added at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad is equal to NNP at factor cost or national income. Okay, this is the production method of measuring national income. Okay, thank you.